Question number 22. A part. A person cannot read newspaper placed nearer than 50 centimeter from his eyes. Name the defect of vision he is suffering from. Draw a ray diagram to illustrate this defect. List its two possible causes. Draw a ray diagram to show how this defect may be corrected using a lens of appropriate focal length. B part. We see advertisements for eye donation on television or in the newspaper. Write the importance of advertisements. Now moving towards the next slide. Solution A of A part. The person is suffering from hypermetropia, that is farsightedness. It is a defect of vision due to which a person cannot see nearby objects clearly, though he can see distant objects clearly. In this defect, the image of the nearby object is formed behind the retina of eye. Like we can see, the image is formed here behind the retina of an eye. This can be caused due to decrease in length of the eyeball or increase in focal length of the eye lens. This defect can be corrected using a convex lens of appropriate focal length so that the image gets formed on the retina. Correction for hypermetropic eye. Here we have used convex lens so that the image can be formed on retina. Or and in B part, eye donations, our eye can live even after our death. So by donating our eyes, we can give vision to a blind person and give them an opportunity to see the world. By giving such advertisement in newspaper, we can make more people aware for this noble cause and raise the number of eye donations for blind people. Thank you.